In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Grammarly into your Word document seamlessly. Whether you're a student juggling essays or a professional polishing up reports, Grammarly can enhance your writing by catching mistakes and suggesting improvements. So let's dive into the process together and make your writing experience smoother and more efficient. First things first, you'll want to open up your Microsoft Word application. This is a familiar place where you draft your documents, but today we're going to give it a little upgrade. With Word open, your attention should focus on the top menu bar where you can see several options such as File, Home, Insert, and more. The Home tab is our destination. Once you click on it, you'll notice a variety of options, but what we're truly interested in is the Add-ins section. This is a powerful tool that enhances Word's capabilities with additional features, and that's precisely where Grammarly will fit in. With the add-ins option spread before you, you're likely overwhelmed by various choices, but fear not. The next step is to find Grammarly in this list. It might take a moment, but it's usually listed under Helpful Extensions or Editors. Once you spot Grammarly, you're going to click on Add. This is a crucial step, as this action integrates a powerful editing tool with your Word program, ready to elevate your writing to the next level. Now at this point, you might wonder if you're done or if there's more on your plate. The beauty of this process lies in its simplicity. Upon clicking Add, your task is essentially complete for now. With Grammarly successfully added to your Word arsenal, it will automatically launch whenever you start working on a document, analyzing your text in real time and gently prodding you with suggestions for improvement. This seamless integration helps reduce errors and optimize your writing effortlessly. Remember, while Grammarly is a wonderful tool that significantly reduces the chance of grammar errors, it's just that, a tool. It complements your writing, but doesn't replace the creative and critical thinking required to produce truly excellent work. Make sure to review Grammarly's suggestions and use your judgment to decide whether to accept or decline them. And there you have it. You've swiftly added Grammarly to your Word documents, allowing yourself the convenience of error-free writing. With this tool at your disposal, you can focus more on the content and less on the worry of grammatical errors. Thank you for joining this quick guide. I hope it was clear and helpful, making your writing tasks a bit less burdensome and a lot more efficient. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and guides to optimize your tech tools and enhance your productivity. Until next time, happy writing.